got you drunk. Yeah, tell me what you want after this club. You know you're not, you know you're not. Don't move out of my house and call the taxi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raqeeya. Why am I doing this? Anyway, it's your girl Raqeeya, and I'm back with another video. We're gonna do a wash day in the shower, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be using the As I Am Dry Itchy and Scalp Care, the olive oil and tree dandruff co-wash. So you can see it. So now guys, I'm just gonna wet my hair, make sure there's enough water so I can apply the product. Make sure my hair is my hair is in two sections. I'm going to put one up and I'm going to use the co-wash for the first section. So subtract the hair again. And I normally detangle with my fingers first, and I can use the comb later on when I'm out of the shower, and then I will decondition my hair. So let me just start. Get a good size amount, you can see it. So guys, this section's done now. On to the next section. Put my water on it again. It's giving me like tingly feelings. If you like your scalp to like have a sensitive feeling, then this is really nice. This one, put it back in my hair. And then we'll rinse it out. Put the water back on. And this is my first one using co-wash. I've used the shampoo already, but they feel pretty similar. But this one makes my hair feel a bit more moisturised. So guys, I'm out of the shower now, so I'm going to be using my deep conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. It's the coconut cream recipes cocoa repair coconut cream deep conditioner. So I'm just going to use this today, and I'm going to use my water bottle. My hair might still be a tad. No, my hair's actually wet, so I'll just section my hair off first. I just give it a bit of spray. For me, I love doing my hair on like soaking wet hair or these damp hair. Okay, so I think that's okay. So I'm now going to section my hair off. I always start with the bottom. This just makes it easier for me to spread the deep conditioner in my hair evenly so every strand is coated. So let me begin. I'm gonna finger the tangle. My hair's not really nutty. Cool. Tangle, fine. I think that I'm quite heavy-handed when it comes to products. I feel like, I don't know, that's just me. So, yeah, here's. For those of you that want to know, or even care, I have 3C/4A type hair, and I would say my hair is high porosity. So yeah, I love this. This deep conditioner is quite nice, but I don't think I'm gonna purchase it again. My favorite deep conditioner is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey. So I'm now done with this section. So what I normally do is I will just twist it up and then leave it at the back, and then I will continue with the rest of my hair. Add a bit more water, it's getting a bit dry. Look at that mist. Okay, this size is good enough. Probably too much, but I'm heavy-handed, so making sure you coat every section. You want to ensure that you get your ends because these are the driest parts of your hair. Just a quick tip for you guys. Let me know in the comment section if there is any, like, your favorite deep conditioners. So maybe I can try them and review them. More water again. And bruh, I'm actually so messy. Put it on top. I'm gonna make sure that you get your edges because they need moisture just as much as the rest of your hair. So I'm going to finish this side, twist this one up. I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera and I'll be back when I'm done that. So I finished, got my hair in just these twists, put my hair in a band, and I'm going to cover it with a plastic bag. Using a plastic bag on your natural hair just like kind of doesn't steam your hair. So my hair's finished now in these twists, and just make sure all the deep conditioners in my hair. Oh, just to back up quickly. But we're going to use a plastic bag on our hair because I have a plastic cap. And using a plastic bag just seals in all, like, kind of steams your hair in a way. Yeah. put it in the hair end. And I use my towel again just to seal it in. Just kind of using a towel on your head or something. Using a towel on your head just penetrates the hair shaft a bit better and kind of steams in the hair. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, please like, comment down below, subscribe and share. Bye guys.